Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best hand blender parts is probably one of the most important factors to consider when maintaining your beloved kitchen appliance, ensuring its longevity and optimal performance. This video will guide you through the process of selecting the right replacement parts for your Cuisinart hand blender, covering everything from blades and shafts to seals and gaskets, helping you avoid common pitfalls and make informed decisions to keep your hand blender running smoothly for years to come. Number 5. Cuisinart CHM Beaters. These aren't just any beaters, they're genuine Cuisinart replacements. Designed for a perfect fit and long-lasting performance. They're made to seamlessly integrate with your Cuisinart hand mixer. Ensure your appliance works as it should. Check the list to confirm compatibility. They fit select Cuisinart hand mixer models, including CHM3, CHM5, CHM7, HM50, HM70, and HM90. Made from durable materials, these beaters are built to withstand regular use. Enjoy consistent mixing results every time. Keep your Cuisinart hand mixer in top condition. Replace worn-out beaters with these genuine parts for optimal performance. This is an original Cuisinart part, guaranteeing quality and a precise fit. It's the best way to maintain your appliance. What we like? It's a genuine part, ensuring a perfect fit for your Cuisinart hand mixer. If you need reliable replacement beaters that won't let you down, this is the one. This ensures your mixer continues to perform optimally, making it ideal for those who value quality and longevity. What people say? Very sturdy beaters, just like the originals, and they mixed up the batter very quickly and nicely. Looks just like the original pieces that came with my mixer. My original mixer beaters got twisted, so it was great to be able to replace them without having to buy another mixer. Number 4. Cuisinart CSB-79 Cup. This is the perfect replacement measuring cup for your Cuisinart CSB-79 Smart Stick Hand Blender. It's designed to fit perfectly and ensure accurate measurements every time. It's made for precise measurements, making blending easier and more accurate. Get the most out of your Cuisinart stick blender. This is a genuine Cuisinart OEM part, guaranteeing a perfect fit and superior quality. It's designed exclusively for the CSB-79 model. Made from BPA-free materials, it's completely safe for food preparation. You can trust it for all your blending needs. Remember, it only fits the Cuisinart CSB-79 model. Don't use it with other stick blenders, even if they look similar. It's the ideal accessory to enhance the versatility of your Cuisinart stick blender. Enjoy precise blending and easy cleanup. What we like? This replacement measuring cup is made from BPA-free materials, guaranteeing safe food handling. If you're looking for accurate measurements while blending, this is your best choice. It's a must-have for those who value both safety and precision in their cooking. What people say? It is durable and works perfectly for this application. It has embossed measurements on the side, which is a plus. The measurements are super easy to read, it is tall so makes it easy to mix things, and has a pour spout. Number 3. Cuisinart CHM Whisk. Is your Cuisinart hand mixer missing its whisk? This replacement whisk is perfect for whipping cream and egg whites. It's designed to fit seamlessly with your existing mixer. Say goodbye to lumpy mixtures. This whisk ensures perfectly whipped cream and fluffy egg whites every time. It's a must-have for any baking enthusiast. It's simple to attach and detach from your Cuisinart mixer. Plus, it's dishwasher safe for effortless cleaning. It's specifically designed for select Cuisinart hand mixer models, including the CHM3, CHM5, CHM7, HM50, HM70, HM90, HTM3, HTM5, HTM7, and HTM9. Check your model number to ensure compatibility. Your Cuisinart hand mixer only requires one whisk at a time for optimal performance. This replacement ensures you always have the right tool for the job. This is an original Cuisinart replacement whisk, guaranteeing quality and a perfect fit for your hand mixer. Maintain peak performance with this genuine part. What we like? It's a chef's whisk designed to whip cream and egg whites to perfection. If you enjoy baking and need a reliable whisk for fluffy textures, this is the perfect addition to your kitchen. Plus, cleanup is a breeze because it's dishwasher safe. What people say. It works great. Whips cream and egg whites perfectly. Made well. It does a great job on whipped cream. It gives it a different texture, and the cream even looks better. This fits well into my Cuisinart hand mixer. The first thing that I tried it out on was heavy whipping cream, being skeptical that it wouldn't work for some reason. It did. It did a fantastic job. Number 2. Cuisinart CSB-79 Whisk. This is the genuine Cuisinart replacement whisk attachment. It's designed for a perfect fit and long-lasting performance. It fits perfectly with select Cuisinart stick blender models. Check the model number to ensure compatibility before purchasing. This whisk is compatible with the Cuisinart stick blender models listed. Make sure yours is on the list. Please note, it will not fit other Cuisinart stick blenders, even if they look similar. Double check your model number. This is an original Cuisinart part, guaranteeing quality and authenticity. Enjoy optimal performance with this replacement. It's made from high-quality materials for long-lasting use. Get the most out of your stick blender. This genuine replacement part will restore your blender to peak performance. Enjoy smooth and efficient blending again. What we like. This replacement whisk attachment is a genuine Cuisinart part, guaranteeing a perfect fit and long-lasting performance. If you demand quality and want to maintain your stick blender's peak efficiency, this is the right choice. It ensures optimal blending results every time. What people say. Works great attaches just like the one I broke. After one use, this appears to be a perfect replica of the original. Got this as a replacement for the original whisk that came with our hand mixer. This looks exactly the same. These are great for making whipped cream. Fits perfectly into my Cuisinart hand mixer. Number 1. Cuisinart CSB-79 WGB gearbox. Is the whisk not spinning? It might be time for a replacement part. Let's see how easy it is to fix. This genuine replacement part is designed to fit seamlessly into your Cuisinart stand mixer. It's the perfect solution to get your mixer back in action. It's designed for a simple installation process. You'll be back to mixing your favorite recipes in no time. It's compatible with several Cuisinart stand mixer models, including the CSB-77, CSB-78, CSB-79, CSB-85, and HB-154. Check your model number to ensure compatibility. This is an original Cuisinart part, ensuring a perfect fit and reliable performance. Get the quality you expect from Cuisinart. Don't let a broken whisk gearbox stop you from baking. Get yours today and get back to creating delicious treats. What we like. This replacement whisk gearbox is a genuine OEM part, ensuring a perfect fit and long-lasting performance for your Cuisinart stick blender. If you value quality and want to keep your appliance running smoothly, this is the ideal choice. It's a worthwhile investment for maintaining your blender's functionality. What people say. Purchase to restore operation of the handheld blender. Finally bought the correct whisk and have already made egg nest twice for breakfast. Looking forward to other interesting dishes. I love my Cuisinart hand blender but had lost the piece that it took to whip egg whites, etc. It fit and works perfectly. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.